Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
Nigeria don't have labor law. Labor law doesn't work in Nigeria. Please, I want you to listen. You are going to learn one or two things from this video. May Nigeria never happen to you. All over the world, in a developed country, there's law that guide you in labor. Me, when I see where I work here, so I get insurance. That insurance, like when they see me, so maybe I leave something out. As I did so where I talk, say this leg they pay me, I go hospital. Now for that insurance, I go present in the hospital. They go take care of me. Whether I go hospital or I no go, I'm paying insurance. It is nothing. That money for insurance is nothing. They take it from your salary. Insurance is divided into two parts: family insurance and personal insurance. It's either you go to an insurance company and open insurance for family, your wife, your children, all of them are on the same card. You pay more. But when you are sick or somebody is sick in the house, you just make a call to the ambulance. When the ambulance arrives, they are not going to ask you, oh, where's money? They will say, where's your insurance card? The ambulance will collect your insurance card, probably swap your insurance card, take you to the hospital. When you get to the hospital will ask you, where is your insurance card? Abroad, hospital is not free. It's quite expensive when you don't have insurance. You pay in advance, being proactive, that you pay in case if you get accident, in case if you are sick, you pay in advance, whether you go to the hospital or you don't go to the hospital. I told you it's divided into two. You see that you pay your insurance from your workplace. Your workplace will take insurance and pay for you. They take it from your... Oh, let me explain better. I got employed here. Whether I like it or not, it is the law that I must have insurance. Otherwise, that company is going to be closed. Make you understand where they go. Ambrose Nwachuku. Ambrose has a kidney problem in Nigeria. Working for a company called Gold Something TV in Nigeria. And I want to bring that guy. We have been, all of you, some of you, where they follow me a long time. When I know this guy, about 2 years ago, the guy came to this platform. If we never donate money, give him at all for this platform, we go don't donate like 1 million. We go don't donate like 1 million naira, give him for this platform. You see, when somebody gets kidney problem, if you don't have that money cash to go and pay for kidney transplant, no matter how much you give to that person, the money go finish. Now, I don't know what happened. I want make you listen to this message first. Come on, wow, Nigeria, no. Nigeria not be country at all.
Good morning, sir. I could just like go my Facebook, clear my wife name, because there's nothing concerning my wife in this matter. You understand? My wife has never had any money business with me. So for him to go and just go and mention my wife without mentioning me, if he has said I misuse funds, it would have been better. But he said my wife. That's why the thing said they make my house the hot. Go my wife the better.
Make Nigeria not do now. When I hear as the guy they breathe, the guy is dying. He cannot sleep at night. When I hear, wait, make I play them again.
Wife. That's why the thing said they make my house.
Don't listen to the message. Listen to the way he's breathing.
House the hot. Go my wife the better. Sir, you know.
If this guy never spend money at all, this guy go don't spend more than 7 million for dialysis. I want to do the program today on the other platform. Now, Wetin I dey do this thing for? This guy make a video. Wait, make I play this one now so that I go ahead.
The most painful thing is that I didn't just come outside on my Facebook to call them out. It's because the lies that they have been parading, that they are the one helping. And let me tell you one thing that is there. At the time when they posted for me in their page, I paid 50,000 naira. Are you seeing my own grievances? Now, if I come out after 3 years when I'm sick to say, this company, please, anything you need to do for me, do it for me. At least I've tried to move around to see if I can gather money, but I can't. People say anything that you people can also give me, give me. I didn't say you should pay for transplant. Just give me anything. That was what I requested for. And I said it after 3 years. Nobody say they don't do it. I just talk on.
You work for a company for at least 5 years. It doesn't matter how many years I work with this company. It no matter how many years where I work for this company. 3 weeks, 3 months. I mean, listen, the highest is 3 months. You don't get insurance. But when I'm doing program in the evening, I'm going to bring my insurance. Make una see am. See what happened. This guy got kidney problem. You know what in the Oga give him? He give him 50,000 naira. They never pay his salary again. I said, they tell you so. If anything happened to me now, we be saying now from here, I dey hospital or I sick, we be say no be say I no want come work. My salary will be paid. They go give me money where I go take the chop until I well. Nigeria no get labor law. They don't get anything where they get. Now I make Chinese people go come to Nigeria, treat una like trash. Now I make people from say na Lebanon, I be where did they come from? All these people from Turkey, they will come and treat you people like trash in Africa. When this guy is sick as he did so, the guy know they said no, as he be so. What in there be say person where they work with now? How much did they take do kidney transplant? You know they ask me can I give them all the money in the world. Let's help. You can, I mean, I don't know if I'm wrong. Since your company cannot assist him, he said at 50,000 naira they give him. This is what happened. The guy went to make a video on his platform, begging the company to help him. Sahara reporter can't see the video yesterday or 3 days ago. Sahara reporter can't call the guy, say, what happened? Sahara reporter now took the video of that guy and placed on their report. Now, the owner of Gold, whatever TV we wanna call him, the man now contacted Sahara reporter and said that this guy is blackmailing him. I'm going to play all the video. Make una see whether I'm blackmail or not. I'm going to bring the guy on the platform. I want to bring the wife. I want to bring himself. Let's play the video that they say he blackmailed. Me, myself, I sent message to that man. And I'm going to play all the voice message I played to that man. The man did not respond. I sent 3 voice messages to the man. Now I beg him. We don't know Ambrose Nwachukwu. We waited for this platform. We don't need to know him before we help him. All of us now one. He don't need to work for us. But with collective effort, somebody go well. You know, they hear me? If you bring, I bring. But the one we bring is not enough. You know, say we get like Tunde Ednot. We get like all this big platform where we say, where big guys will get money they watch. If I say we don't try carry this guy reach that platform, we no go there here. The guy they die, they go. The guy is dying. Dialysis for 3 years. Let me calculate it for you. Now, before the owner of that company talks say in wife they want dash money where they give him. Make I tell you now. Now the guy go take him out, talk him on. Not be me, I was not there. Maybe he get money where they give him. But even if there's any amount you give to somebody where they do dialysis, no matter how much you give that person, if he no do kidney transplant, the money will squander. The guy go don't spend over 5 million for only dialysis. Calculate like 45,000. One dialysis is about 4,500, 45,000. 3 times in a week. You do dialysis 1, 2, 3 in a week. Then calculate it in a year, 12 months. Now calculate it in 24 months. Now, how much are the talks? I said 14 million. The guy go don't spend more than 12 million. Wait, make it not be like say they do mistake. For 12 months, please. I don't get calculator here. I don't have calculator here. We are going to do that in the evening. You see, these are our big men for Nigeria. They don't like you, even you working for them. Now when you get problem, you go know. This guy was camera. He's working with I think he's their cameraman. When you sick like that, they could run around. Even if you don't get, they get the big men. I beg you get one of my cameraman. We know well. Even if not, from here all together. I mean, we are not thinking the same. All of us not think the same. It could be anybody. The man was contacted, I've been in contact Sahara reporter. He said now his wife they mismanaged fund. How much you give him? The guy, I remember with the time where the guy go to their social media platform. He paid, yes, I remember. He paid for the advertisement where they advertise for them. For their now company where they work before. He needs help. And when they collect money, I know that time, I can't forget. The day where they tell me now that street I did, very early in the morning. He said they charge me, how much he said they charge? I went on 50,000 to help person where they work for now before, so that he go get fund. How much fund? How much do you think is enough to do transplants? Go on. This guy go don't spend more than 10 million for 3 years. Because that money is not coming in cash. As they come now, so they go do dialysis 3 times a week. In wife go chop. In wife not, if I say in wife not they stay house, that guy for don't die. For 3 years. Now so he go faint, they will carry and go hospital. 3 days or 4 days ago, he will then not die, he don't die, finish. Make we tell ourselves the truth. Nigeria got no labor law. I'm not blaming the man, no. I'm not blaming the company. Because if everything is working well in Nigeria, this guy not gonna be like this. Nobody will employ you without medical insurance. Nobody will employ you medical insurance. I remember when I told my workplace one day, I said, me, I know they go hospital. Make una no come out money for my medical insurance. They come, they laugh me. They say, my friend, you want to come? This is the law in our country. If I don't give you insurance, my company is going to be closed if the government knew that you don't have insurance. Everybody deserves medical insurance. If you're sick, you go take your medical check card. Go to the hospital and get medicine. Go to the hospital and take care of yourself. You are a human being. Why shouldn't you have insurance? Make una the pray, make Nigeria no happen to me. I didn't be the prayer. I tell you, swear to God.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.